Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Huntington Bank application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box and simply type in Huntington Bank and start your search. Now, once you find the Huntington Bank application called Huntington Mobile, go ahead and tap on it. And you can tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of the Huntington Bank app. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to start opening the application. Now, once the application is opened up, you can go ahead and sign up to create a new account or log into your existing account right away by using your credentials. And after signing up or logging in, you can start banking right from your phone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Huntington Bank mobile application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.